Jai Hind, my dear student. So, the topic of the day is has, have, and had, and we will discuss it with its examples. So, let's get started. The word has and have tell us what someone owns, they tell us about something that happens now. So, has and have refers to the present time. Had shows what someone had in the past. It is used with both singular and plural naming words. So, had is only used with past tense. So, past tense means something that has already happened. Just remember, has will only be used in case of singular and plural. In the plural one, we will use have. Clear? So now we will discuss the use of has, have and had in brief. So as you all know that he, she, it, this, that, singular words used with has. Okay. So when these words will become, we will write has. Similarly, I, we, you, they, plural words used with have. So once these words will become, we will use have. So likewise, next example is of had. He, she, it, this, that, singular words. I, we, you, they, plural words used with had. Just remember, we will use had once we are talking about the past tense. Clear? So had is defined as to have contained, hold or owned something in the past. Something which we was having in the past. So we will write in front of that past tense, we will use had. Next, we will discuss the filling examples of has, have and had. So here, she has a beautiful red dress. So as you all know that he, she, it used with has. So we have written over here has. Likewise, next example, Eric is a dog. It has a soft fur. So same, it we will use has. They have 5 chairs in the room. So we are using have over here because it is a plural word. So they is considered as a plural. I have a dog. So I always plural, so we use have. We had a pet bird at home, but it flew away. So here you can see we are talking about the past tense. So we have taken had over here. Likewise, next example, last month they had a great holiday. So we are talking about something which has already happened. So last month is already gone. So that is why we have written had. So now we will discuss the sentences in a correct form and we will rewrite it. Okay. Sheena has fever yesterday. So here Sheena has fever yesterday. Sheena ko kal bukhar tha. So we are talking about yesterday. That means what we will use over here? Has, have or had? Just think. We will use had over here because we are talking about yesterday. So likewise, next example, you has a tired look on your face. So you and has. Do you think it is a correct? No. We will use have. You have a tired look on your face. The swan has long neck. So you can see the picture of swan. Likewise, answer will be have, not has, because we are not talking about the one swan, we are talking about more than one swan. So here you can see we have not written swan, we have written swans. Okay, so we will use have. Likewise, he have a garden outside his house. So answer will be he has a garden outside his house. So alright my dear students, I hope you have understood the concept. So we will recap it. So we will use has only if we are talking about the singulars, and have in the case of plurals, and had is only used with the past tense. Past tense again means something which is already happened. Okay. So thank you. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box. Okay. And you can like this channel, you can subscribe it also, so that you will come to know about the latest updates. Thank you.